All right, their first assignment for the year, of the 2019-2020 school year, was to draw on their whiteboards, without using words, something, that's nice, Kim, something that they're excited to do this year. We're going to start with Jojo. Jojo, turn it around. Unclick it. There you go. 1 times 100 equals 100. Jojo, I'm going to guess you're excited for math. What are you excited for this year?
Multiplication.
Learning your multiplication tables?
Yeah.
Good. I think you're going to do really well on those. You know a lot of them. All right. Kimberly, what are you looking forward to this year? 1 minus 2 plus 4 equals 3. I'm guessing math. Are you looking forward to math this year? I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah? This is going to be interesting with you this year. Okay. Allison, what are you looking forward to this year? What do you got, baby girl? What do we have? Allison, 2019, first day of school. And she's looking forward to, I see a picture on an easel. I'm going to guess art. Yep.
And I even have it right here if it was a little bit.
Oh.
Very
I couldn't even see that. Okay. All right, guys. Are we ready?
Are we going to erase it?
Yep. Erase your pictures. We are going to start some math practice.
My whiteboard already has smears of colors.
Great. Alrighty. So bye.